How to delete your Facebook account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure to log into your account which you want to delete. After opening the Facebook, you'll be able to see this page over here. After that, you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line in the right upper corner. After that, you have to tap on the settings or gear option, which is just beside the search bar in the right hand side. After doing that, you have to tap on the personal and account information option, and from over here you have to tap on account ownership and control option. After that, you'll be able to see the deactivation and deletion option in the second row, so you have to go through it. And after going through it, you'll be able to see the deactivate account and delete account option. Since we are looking for deleting our account, you have to tap on delete account option, and from over here you have to tap on continue to account deletion, which is in the blue box. And from over here you can select any of the options over here, and you have to tap on continue to account deletion. Before deleting, you can review these descriptions over here, where there is to keep messenger deactivate instead. So it means if you deactivate your account, then also you'll be able to use your messenger. So instead of deleting, you can deactivate your account. Save post in your archive. If you want to hide the certain post or anything, then you can go to activity log and manage from over there. And if you want to download any of the information of your Facebook before deleting, then you can go for download info, and from over there your information will be downloaded and stored in your Gmail account. And after that you can delete it. And if you want to transfer your information, then you can go for transfer info option, where you can transfer your information to either another account or mail or anything. And after doing that, you can go for delete account option. Before deleting, you need to confirm that it's you, so you have to enter your password in the text box by simply tapping on that and entering your password. And after entering, you can go for continue option, and by doing that your account will be permanently deleted. So by following this simple step, we can delete Facebook account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.